welcome to my review for Vivid and Vogue after one day. So at first I had this tight curls after using the Vivid and Vogue automatic hair curler. Then it became this wavy. Look at it. It's the wavy type of curl. Some of it has become back to straight, but doesn't really matter. It's still pretty to me. I did not use any gels or hairsprays for this. It just turned wavy after one day, so I haven't taken a bath yet. I just want to show you how it looks like and that the curls is somehow long lasting. I got this Vivid and Vogue in Shopee, and it is selling for about 300 pesos. I believe they're selling this before for 700, and I think I got it at a good price point already. Let's look at the device. I mean, this tool. It is a metal. It has a metal type of barrel. And there's nothing really special about it except that it only has an on and off button, and the left and right button, which can help you in doing the right type of curls. So what I do, well, I've showed it in the previous video. You just need to get like an inch of your hair, and then use, if you're doing your left side or right side, you're going to use the corresponding button. Of course, you want the curls to be going outwards, so if you want it to go that way, you're going to use this button right here. And you go at the middle, have it clip by this side, and then it's going to just do the curl automatically. Yeah, and what I like about it is that it does the job quickly. Like if I'm going to do this 1 inch of hair, I just need to wait for around 30 seconds or less, and then you just pull it like that, and you're going to get the curls that you want. I have like 3 other curlers which I don't have with me right now. I am badly curious to how this fares, because I'm seeing a lot of sellers and girls using this online, and what could the difference be? I have this curling iron. It's like a magic wand. I needed to use a heat glove, like a protector gloves like that, to use it. And then I have another automatic curling iron, but it's only for short hair. I can't use that because I'm sporting long locks for God knows how many years now. And the other one that I have is the usual clip curling iron, which it's like that, and it snaps like that, and then you need to, you know, curl your hair manually. This one is really good because I'm not not an expert at curling. You just need to do like that, and then it automatically curls it for you. Like when I first did my hair, I only needed 30 minutes to get everything done from the front up to the back, because if I was using another curling iron or even my usual straightening iron, I will have a hard time in curling the back side of my hair. But with this Vivid and Vogue, I'm so happy that it did not give me that problem. It really worked so well beyond my expectation. I'm not expecting so much from this because it's cheap. I think my only complaint is that there's a smell, like a burning smell inside, which is a bit scary. Until now, I can smell it. Well, maybe because it's not really a high quality product, so be cautious when buying this. Just make sure that you don't use it for a long time, like 1 hour or so, to prevent overheating. Yeah, but so far so good. I really like it. It has been working wonders. I'm just not sure how long this thing will last on me, but it served its purpose. And the price point is a good one if you're looking for a working curling iron that won't hurt your pocket. Then this is the one, Vivid and Vogue for the me. And it's pink, it's white, it's the best color combination, like I always say. So yeah, get one for yourself now. I'm not sponsored to do this review. I'm just happy to get this curling iron. And if you like this video, do comment, subscribe, or like. If you are using other curling irons, then please let me know if that's a good iron that I can try too. Because I'm buying a lot of curling irons, I just don't know why. But yeah, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.